So the sweet potato fries and onion rings are doing their thing in the oven, and it is time for the real star of this diner meal, the turkey burgers. And they're all the meaty juiciness you crave, only leaner and healthier. And what I do to them is stuff them with this luscious mozzarella cheese. I just need about half a cup. And part-skim mozzarella is about a third less fat than regular, but it has all the flavor and oozy goodness. That's my mozzarella done. Now I just need some peppers. I have some roasted red peppers right here. I just drained them right out of the jar and gave them a little rinse. And these are one of the things I always have on hand. So I need also half a cup chopped. And I love them because it's color and it's taste and it's nutrition, all the good stuff. Definitely does triple duty. Okay, now for the turkey. I have 1 1/4 pounds lean turkey breast here. I always get skinless. It's important to specify skinless or extra lean, because if there's skin in there, then it's really not any leaner than ground beef. But without the skin, it's actually half the fat of the leanest ground beef. So I'm making 4 stuffed burgers out of this. So basically I just grabbed a quarter of the turkey meat. I divided that quarter into 2. I'm going to make 2 patties. So one sort of becomes the bottom and one becomes the top. And this winds up being about 5 ounces of meat per person, which cooks down to 4 ounces. Now to fill them. Each one gets a quarter of this mozzarella cheese, and this just melts inside. Then each one gets a nice scoop of a red pepper. Look how gorgeous the color is. Okay, I'm just going to take the top of each burger and put it on top of the filling and just seal them closed. Very, very easy to do. They really do look like a big, fat, juicy burger, diner style. Then just season with a little salt and pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of pepper. They're ready for the grill. Just pop these on a preheated grill, 5 minutes on each side. It's important to put them on a nice hot grill. I can hardly wait. They just need 5 minutes on the other side. And while they're cooking, I'll go grab my ketchup. All right, one little nest is ready for a burger. Looks great on there. Look at that. Cheese is all oozy, beautiful red pepper. All right. Diner food like this makes me feel like I have dined and gone to heaven. Excuse the pun.